Yeah, hello there, guys. I'm Babs, and this is AI for Tech, where we do what deal with technicality and technology. We talk about tech. We open classes on what on different kind of IT courses like CCNA, MCSA, M plus, A plus, and many more like that. Okay, we explain this class to what to everybody, even that a layman who understand what information we are actually passing, and to those who are actually interested in what in technology and are finding it so difficult to what to comprehend the coding, the syntax, and all. We are making it easy for everyone to understand using a word is precise what English to explain what we are trying to do here. You have done what a lot of videos on different kind of car class. For what you can check our channel to get updates on what on the past videos that we have done in order to what educate yourself, and don't forget to what to plug yourself with this channel so you can benefit more on what on new videos like subscribing to the what to the channel. That's the best way you can connect, you can plug with this what with this channel. And don't forget to what to like and share the content to those who are interested in what in benefiting from this work on this knowledge. Now answer this one is what is voice over IP. Voice over IP enables you to what to be able to make an intercom within the work within an organization. An organization wants you to connect the voice over IP for the work for the office, so that they will be able to connect from one department to another department within the work within the organization. They don't want to be standing up from one desk to another desk, from one department to another department in order to pass information. So they need a voice over IP, which means a voice over internet protocol to what to enable them to make a call and talk to whoever they want to talk to. And this is a way of, let's say, voice over IP. There's a telephone network that has to you loading a voucher, but this one will be what will be connected to your what to your network, your internet, your Cisco network. So if your boss is asking you to do this as a network administrator, how are you going to do this? Is what actually I want to show you here. Okay, guys, now it's very straightforward. What we need to do is first bring out the 2811 router. So in this what in the reality, what you'll be needing is a what is a router, a switch. Then you will need a telephone network, which is what voice over IP, voice over IP device, IP phone. I think voice over IP telephone network. It is. Can you see the voice over IP? There is a voice over IP network. You can use any one. This is the analog, and the voice over IP devices. So we actually don't know this. This is actually the one we need. We need the what the IP phone. That's actually what we want to use in this class. But I'm just going to leave this one here for what for recording purposes. Okay, guys, we are going to take straight to cable to connect these devices. We're going to connect from what the fast internet Zeus dash what Zeus plus one to go to fast internet. Okay, we're going to do this way. First internet Zeus plus 0. Okay, I'm going to like pick it back. I'm going to pick it back. Fast internet 0/0 to what? Faster than 0/1. Then we're going to connect using a straight 2. Okay, we're going to connect from faster than 0/2 towards to the from the switch to the word to the. Okay, now I'm going to choose switch 3 because I'm connecting directly to the switch, so that's what I'm going to pick. Alright, to switch now. Okay guys, now what we are going to do now is to set the configuration, which I'm going to take step by step. Alright, first thing we're going to do is to plug to check if our router is on. Okay, zoom okay, our router is on. Then I'm going to move to the CLI where I'll be doing the configuration that is needed for this class. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to enable this enable it. Okay, now it's asking you that you want to continue with the default configuration. You say no. Okay, then you enable just like normal syntax. But enter into the global configuration in order to start initiating your configure terminal, in order to start initiating your commands. Okay, so we're going to say interface INTFA 0/1. Okay, do not let us make this mistake. Make sure that we are familiar with what our network is connected to. Alright, okay, so we go back to it and continue FA. Just push 1 enter. Okay, now use the word IP address, IP add 10.0.1, then 255.0.0.0. Now you click on enter and say no shots. So it means that we're starting up the word interface. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm trying to caution the dog. I hope it's in the video. Okay guys, so we move to the next. Now we first assign the IP address. We've assigned the IP to the interface, which is correct. Now we are going to assign a DHCP full voice to the voice over IP. Now we are connecting automatically, dynamically to the IP network, IP phone network. Now we're going to we're going to exit out of this Okay, I think we don't need to exit. All we just need to do is say IP DHCP pool, voice. Okay, and then you click on enter, and then you say network, and then you assign the IP address to the IP voice. So you understand? You say 10.0.0.255 .0.0.0. Okay, then you click on and enter. Then I said default what? Default hyphen router 10.0.0.1. Then click on enter. Option 150 IP 10.0.0.1. Then click on enter. Exit. Okay, so we set the telephony service network